This year, it's the first time we show a complete, fully installed and certified lift. From the first day on, it was pretty crowded at our booth. People were very interested, and we keep everything very transparent, so the people can right away see all the technology and how it works.
SERAPID lift system has developed a product range of special lifts, mainly to serve heavy payloads in this environment.
So we start, let's say, at 5 tons and more. That means possible applications for cars, for goods, and even for trucks. Even up to 60 tons, it's not a big problem for our systems.
The biggest advantages of this system is it provides a simple, robust, green and precise solution based on the SERAPID technology, the rigid chain technology, to the lift industry. Well, the brand new thing is that SERAPID has decided to dedicate part of its activity to support this new brand, SERAPID lift system. We are now experiencing a new business model that is basically focused on providing a complete solution, a real opportunity to bring something new to an industry, and that's not something you do every day. The SERAPID solution is the new thing in the industry, and it's generating a lot of interest. That's what we heard.